How's it going, guys? Josh here at Traxxas RC, and in this video we are going to be bashing our Stampede 4x4 VXL. We are running on 3S LiPo, and then we are at the dirt hill today. As you can see here, we got the two ramps set up, and the angle that we are working with for our jump is pretty steep, so I'm pretty excited about this bash session. We should be sending this thing to the sky, so it should be fun. And if you guys want to see what we're doing when we're not driving our street cars, make sure you go check out our other channels down below. In the description are the links. Also, be sure to check out our merch shop and our Facebook page. Those will also be linked down there as well. So I hope that you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, so I think that's going to do it for this video. Our slipper clutch is a little bit loose, so we're kind of losing a lot of power from that. And then I forgot to mention that I'm running the RC LiPo battery 3S packs that were sent out to us for testing. They work really well. I'm really liking these batteries. I definitely recommend them. I'll put a link to them down below in the description. Once we use them for a few more months, we're going to do a long-term review on them. So watch out for that in coming months. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share it with others so that we can grow our channel. And with that, we'll see you guys in the next video on Traxxas RC.